All right, let's get started. Today, we're not just looking at a car, we're putting it on the operating table. We are entering full diagnosis mode to decode those critical warnings your vehicle sends you, right before disaster strikes. The diagnosis begins now.
Come on, be honest. You're driving along, a little light pops up on the dash, but the car feels totally fine. So you think to yourself, I'll get to it later. Right? We've all been there. But what if later is just too late?
And that's really what this is all about. That tiny, seemingly harmless alert, that's your car's first cry for help. Ignoring it can literally be the difference between a minor, easy fix and a major financial nightmare. We're going to start with the heart of the machine, the engine. These are what I call the code red alerts. When your car's engine starts talking, you absolutely have to listen. First up, the most common and, the most commonly ignored warning of all, the check engine light. It's not just some friendly suggestion, It's your car's main way of telling you something is wrong under the hood. Now, what's crazy is the range of possibilities here. This one little light could mean anything from a simple sensor failure to a really serious engine misfire that's actively damaging your engine with every single rotation. And this right here, this is the car doctor's most critical piece of advice. If that light is on and steady, get it checked out soon. But if it's blinking, that is not a suggestion, my friend. That is an emergency. Pull over safely and shut the engine off. You could be preventing a catastrophic failure right then and there. Okay, so beyond the lights on your dash, your ears are your next best diagnostic tool. A healthy engine has a smooth, consistent hum. If that sound changes, well, the engine is telling you it's in pain. Are you hearing any of these? A knocking, a ticking, a grinding sound? Ignoring these noises is like ignoring a sharp pain in your own body. It's a symptom of a much deeper problem, maybe low oil or worn out internal parts, that's only going to get worse. And this just lays it all out, plain and simple. Catch that noise early, and you're probably looking at a manageable, cheap repair. But you wait too long, you could be paying for a full engine rebuild. The financial difference is just staggering. Now, let's talk about a true roadside emergency. If that temperature gauge starts climbing into the red, or you see steam pouring from under the hood, your engine is literally cooking itself from the inside out. So here's the crucial point. Continuing to drive an overheating car for even a few minutes can lead straight to this, a blown head gasket. It's one of the most severe and expensive engine repairs possible. And you know what? It's almost always preventable by just stopping the car. Okay, so moving on from the engine, your car has other vital systems that are all about keeping you safe. And ignoring warnings from these is just as dangerous. Let's talk about the one system you absolutely cannot afford to have fail, your brakes. I mean, they're not optional, are they? They are your number one safety feature, and trust me, they give you plenty of warning before they give out. Your car is actually very clear about brake problems. That high-pitched squeal, that's a built-in wear indicator telling you it's time. That grinding sound means you've gone way too far. A soft, spongy pedal or the car pulling to one side, that means the system's integrity is shot. You have to pay attention to these feelings. The logic here is pretty undeniable, isn't it? A new set of brake pads is a routine, affordable maintenance job. The cost of an accident, financially, physically, emotionally, it's just incalculable. All right, now for one of the most complex and costly parts in your entire vehicle, the transmission. If your transmission starts acting up, you are on the fast track to a very, very expensive repair bill. So does your car jerk between gears? Does it kind of hesitate before it shifts? Or even worse, does it just slip out of gear on its own? That's not a quirky personality trait. Your transmission is crying for help. Ignoring it will destroy it, period. Modern cars are just packed with sensors, and they use every tool they have to get your attention, from specific lights on your dashboard to very distinct smells that signal something is very, very wrong. These lights are not decorations. An oil pressure light means your engine is starving for lubrication. A battery light means your car could just die at any moment. And these smells, they each tell a specific story. A slipping belt, a failing catalytic converter, or a dangerous oil leak.
So, after all these red alerts and critical warnings, what's the prescription? It's actually pretty simple. The best cure is always prevention.
This right here is the ultimate takeaway. Every dollar you spend on routine oil changes, filter replacements, and regular checkups is an investment in preventing those $1,000 catastrophic failures we've just been talking about. So the doctor's orders are clear. 1. Listen. Pay attention to the lights, sounds, and smells. 2. Diagnose. Don't wait. Find out what the problem is right away. And 3. Act. Just follow your car's maintenance schedule. It really is that simple. You see, your car gives you warnings long before it fails. It's constantly communicating its vital signs. So the only question left is the one right here on the screen. Your car is talking? Are you listening?